In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from Order History 2026, step by step. If you've made a purchase online and need a clean official copy of the receipt for reimbursement, taxes, or your own records, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find it and how to save it in just a few clicks. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along on a computer or phone, whatever you prefer. First, sign in to the same website where you placed your order. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that was used to complete the purchase. If you have multiple profiles or work and personal accounts, double check you're in the right one so the order actually appears. Once you're signed in, look for the account area. This is usually at the top right as a profile icon, your initials, or a menu labeled Account. On mobile, it may be in a menu at the bottom or behind a 3-line or 3-dot icon. From the account area, go to Order History or Your Orders. Different sites use slightly different labels, but they mean the same thing. A list of everything you've purchased. If you don't see it right away, it's often in the Purchases, Orders, or Billing section within your account. After you've opened your order list, locate the specific purchase you need a receipt for. You can usually identify it by date, order number, or item name. If a site archives older purchases, there may be a filter or a drop-down to reveal past orders. Open the order to view its details. This expands a page or panel showing what you bought, the total, and payment information. Here's where you'll find the options to get your receipt. Look for Invoice to view a formal, itemized document that includes billing and tax details. Choose Print Order if you want a printer-friendly version. On many browsers, you can switch the printer to Save as PDF to store it digitally. Select Download PDF if you want a ready-made file you can save, email, or upload to an expense system without printing. If a new tab doesn't appear, make sure your pop-up blocker isn't preventing it and check your Downloads folder if the file saves automatically. Before you close the page, confirm the totals, date, and payment method are correct. On mobile, these options may be in a More or 3-dot menu. That's it. Log in, open account, go to Order History or Your Orders, open the order, and choose Invoice, Print Order, or Download PDF. Now you've got